Hey, what's up guys, Shubh here back again, and in this video I'm going to tell you that how can you add subtitles to your video to make them better. If you don't know how to create subtitles, then go and watch my previous video in which I've told the steps to create subtitles. So here is my video and my subtitle. Now the first step to do is to keep the file names of both video and subtitle files same in case they aren't. After that, you have to open the file in VLC media player. If you don't have the software, you can download it from the internet. Once the video appears, right click anywhere, go to the video option. After that, subtitles track, and finally click on open file. After that, locate your subtitle file, and that's it. You have successfully added them to your video. A simple tip for you all is that you should always keep the video and subtitles in a same folder. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope you guys must have loved the video. Like and share if you feel this video worthy, and I will see you in the next cool video. Peace out.